shit. Nigga, I'm taking ripping this bitch. Hold on. Time for a shower, time for the day to begin. Let's get it. Off to the first class, here we go. All right, that's work done on the scooter. The new one I will show you soon. And I don't know. I actually don't. I have no clue what's next. From now onwards, things are about to get weird. What a lovely day. You know why? I just realized I got a package. I got some bill time. Hold on. So I'm gonna get Connor to try this, and we're gonna see what he thinks about it. Again, thank you so much to Howdy for sending this package. Just made this vlog a whole lot better. So, bro, tell us what you think. Is it dandy and you're lying, bro?
Ah, to slap the shit out you, nigga. Saying that stupid ass shit.
Definitely.
Yeah, you like it?
I definitely buy this for a lot. I appreciate you letting me try it.
No problem. So now, I actually have no clue what's next. I won't lie to you. And what would you see then? Hey guys, we're in Fargo now, with no clue what we're doing here. We will see.
Ooh. I got some dollar store Takis.
I got dollar store Takis. Man, that Arnold Palmer son, man, tastes like heaven. Changed my life. Suddenly we're at a mall.
West Acres Mall, Fargo, North Dakota.
Why did we take you out of jail? Hey guys,
Update.
we're I forgot. What's it? Bath and Body Works. I'm gonna make my booty smell like strawberries. We're in Shields. I don't know. We're about to play a game. So, since it's like late, Shields is closing. We'll have to come back, but I'll probably make a vlog on that. Okay. We made it downtown. Where are we?
We're in like a shake shop. I don't know. Show me.
No, they ain't sponsoring me.
They keep yelling. They just keep yelling.
Yeah, they do. I guess. Dang, that's right. I just got a Chipotle burrito for the first time. I don't know what meat they gave me. Pause. But it's on special and it's meant to be tender. We're just walking around right now. Downtown. Nothing crazy. That boy outside with the VR ski. He's lost his mind. Albert, you wanna say hi to YouTube? Look at him, pretty boy.
Ho, ho, brother. Ho, whoa, whoa, whoa. Now, you got too much dip on your chip, huh?
So, as I'm editing this video, by the way, I'm realizing that I didn't explain why we were getting out of jail. And I still won't. Have fun. A different day, but we're in jail.
What's going on, boys? Huh?
We're waiting to get somebody. We'll see after. Fresh.
Hey,
What?
right now, where are you? Where are you now?
Connor, wait. Show YouTube how many tickets you got. Show you.
Thank you. Hey.
Leave her alone.
Thank you so much. You see me come out.
There's something wrong with that guy. First thing you see in the morning. First thing you see in the morning. Yo, I had to get this for you. Shit, nigga, I'm totally ripping this bitch. Hold on, I got a little snow on my shoe. I gotta fix that. Damn, I might need boots. I had to get this one blocked. Absolutely nothingness. Hold on, let me get the other side for you. Level up a ride. Proper crime. Look at me. Look how crazy I look right now, nigga.